Alright, we're here at Daiso again, but this time I'm with the girls. Last time I came in here to look at cooking stuff. At the end, I mentioned I was gonna vlog all their snacks, so today we're gonna see what kind of Japanese snacks they have. Go ahead if you want to grab a basket and get some stuff. Look around. I'm gonna be in snacks, okay? I'm just here for the snacks. I might look at the food too, but it's looking a little bare though. Okay, so this ain't what I was really expecting, but we'll make the most of it. It's kind of weird. Where's all the snacks at, huh? Like growing up, these were really popular. Latte? I don't know how do you say it, but these are koala chocolate snacks. These little biscuits are filled with delicious chocolate. I don't remember this though. What is this? Mango cream? Huh, mango cream in a koala cookie. I think I do remember a strawberry cream one.
Yeah,
these are really good.
Chocolate and strawberry.
You remember that? There's only one.
No,
so,
there's two over here.
Kira loves these things. Kira and Mia. These, what are these called? These are like make your own little snack kits, right? Candy kits? Okay, really? The
Jimmy
rollaway?
Jimmy told me.
What, are you gonna buy furniture or something?
She told me to.
Okay, alright. Japanese people, for whatever reason, they make the cutest things and they love the cutest things. And then one huge package of panda cookies. Huh, this is it looks competition. They got the koala against the panda. The pizza pretz. These are the Pocky competitors. This is a sweet corn pretzel. Interesting. I've never seen this before. Spicy barbecue pretz. Rich chocolate and crispy pretzel. Huh. Green tea cream filled biscuit stick. Oh, that's interesting. Girls, hey, want this? Here, can you put this? What were you gonna show me?
It was my favorite candy.
Ramen? This ramen candy? This is a soda candy?
Yep.
Oh, interesting. I've never seen that before. Okay, moving on. Got these chocolate covered almonds. See, I'm not really a big fan of almonds and chocolate, but when the Japanese chocolate is on there, I am there for it. Japanese chocolate is just surprisingly delicious. I just love Japanese chocolate. Meiji, that's my favorite brand. But I don't see any here because these shelves are completely empty. What?
It's a candy. It's a lollipop. And it's a toy. That's not new.
$5? Ooh, yeah, this is something that I had for the first time in Japan. Chocolate with gummies in them. I love Japanese gummies, but then you combine the chocolate with the gummies. And then this one is a mixed Japanese peach flavor, mango, grape, covered in that Japanese chocolate. I love the packaging. Is this Japanese? Where is this from? Oh, product of Korea. So this is not Japanese. Bing Bing. Wafer cone snack. Got the matcha, of course. Can't have a snack without the matcha flavor. Oh, this is a cover for your lollipop?
And so like when you press it up, it opens up.
Okay.
Like,
I don't know about you, but I don't think I've ever needed a cover for a lollipop before. What?
And Daddy, it holds it for you. So you
what?
Can just lick it when you...
And it holds it?
Yeah.
Okay. But you know what? It's a way for this company
You should get it for littles.
to make more money. Mia found some gummies. Ooh, I like these. Wait. No, these are not gummies. They're kind of crunchy. Or are they gummies?
They're like...
Fruit jelly candy. Interesting.
Like,
huh.
like how jelly.
I feel like I should try these. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think here, can you put this in your... I think I like Japanese gummies
like
more
those?
than I like Japanese chocolate, so.
These are like the real ones, but
Remember that candy store we found in Japan? We bought gummies like this and they were amazing. Some hippie candies. These are apricot kernel flavored herb candy. It's like a hard candy. Okay, this is a Japanese herb hard candy. It must be a lozenge or something for when you have a sore throat. Oh, looks like they have some ginger in there, some cinnamon, and then cloves. Wow. Sorry, there's a limited selection here. I was planning on doing like an all-out Japanese snacks tour. Yeah, next time we're gonna have to come back in. What do you think about that, girls? But don't worry, there's a lot of stuff here. Featured on Instagram, interesting. So these are just dried fruit. Mandarin orange, ooh, I bet that's good. See, you always, well, actually you don't see a lot of dried oranges. Here, we definitely gotta try this. Okay, dried cherry tomatoes? Whoa. Okay, hey, the good thing about them not having all their snacks out is I'm finding some snacks that I would never try or maybe look at. Look at that, dried cherry tomatoes. I'm definitely gonna get that. Girls, I found another thing. See, this makes sense because tomatoes already have a lot of sugar in it. Dry it, and it's probably even more concentrated.
This is what I like to get.
You like that?
See?
Okay.
It's Calpico.
Capico? Calpico? Calpico. White chocolate and regular chocolate covered biscuit cookie shaped like a panda. I bet the girls would love that, huh? What do you think? You think the girls would love that?
Yeah.
Oh, these are great for kids though. Well, this must have been like baby shelf or something because look at this. Little animal crackers, Japanese animal crackers. They have the name of the animal on there. Lion, sheep. Look at that, they got a lot of different animal crackers. How considerate of them to put the name of the animal on the cracker. In Japan, they've got lots of great snacks for little kids, especially babies. They found the toys.
Hey, this is
What's up with kids and liking scented toys?
I like squishies.
Are squishies still popular?
Kinda.
Are they? Coconut crispy rolls. Salty pakche. Oh, a product of Thailand. Salty pakche, made with real coconut. I didn't realize they have snacks from other countries. Maybe Korea, but Thailand? I feel like these are the snacks that nobody wanted vlog. So we've got, moving on to chips. What is this? Crispy and elegant cut, extra thick sliced potato chips. That looks hella good. Pure potato. It's good to know. This is really popular. Product of Taiwan. Look at that. I've seen Japan, Korea, Thailand, now Taiwan. Salt and seaweed. I'm not really a big fan of these. But yeah. I wonder if this is also Taiwan. Product of Vietnam. Man, we're covering the whole Asian continent. Okay, hey, have you heard of these Japanese snacks right here? Fritos?
Japanese?
Yeah, Fritos is from Japan. It's from Tokyo.
No, it isn't.
That's where it was invented.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it was.
It says it's made in America.
Is it really?
Yeah, America.
Okay, yeah. Frito-Lay. I can't mess with these girls no more. You want me to see the jellies? Okay, I just want to show you one more chip. So sad. Salted Doritos. Basically, it's a tortilla chip. Oh yeah, these jellies are so good. Yeah. So these little jelly packs, they've had these for years, and I think they just kind of hit here in America. But basically, imagine a portable Jello that is kind of runny. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? Runners, they have these little gel packs that they will kind of pack on themselves, so when they're running, they can have it. And in some marathons, they'll give it away at the same stand that they're giving water. So, oh yeah, I love these yogurts. Oh yeah, look at those huge chunks of peaches, white peaches. Oh, I love it. Look at this. This is a ramu bottle, ramune, except it's just the soda, so you don't pop the little marble. Calpico soda. Is that a yogurt drink?
It's like, yeah, it's like
Yokolten soda, basically. That's what it's like. So in Japan, they have tons of vending machines. And these are the exact type of bottles they have in there. I've never seen the Hawaii Kona one. And then they got the mocha, of course. Here's some other Japanese coffee brands. Japanese people just love their coffee in a can because it's so convenient. Interesting, I've never seen that before. It's like a coffee soda. Ooh, sparkling water. I could totally go for one of these. Oh my gosh. Ringo is apple in Japanese. And I'm telling you, I bet you that is some bomb apple juice. In fact, I'm gonna get that. Ringo sparkling water. Okay, I'm gonna get that for sure. Naturally, they also got some tea. Also really popular in vending machines in Japan is green tea. So that's a standard green tea. This is a roasted green tea. And then over there is a matcha. This one's jasmine. I love iced jasmine. And then they got matcha. And then they also like their tea with milk. And they also sell it in a bottle like that. Strawberry milk is also really popular there. Do you girls like strawberry milk? Yeah.
we never get strawberry milk.
I know we don't, but you know what? I would totally let you drink these ones. These are two more really popular coffee brands in Japan. Next time I'm in Japan, I would love to do just a vending machine vlog where I hit up as many vending machines as possible. Well, if we're gonna get gum, I'm probably gonna get gum that's Japanese since we're here. So this is a brand I really like. Ume is this a pickled plum flavor. Oh, this is a mint one. Let's get this here. I'm gonna grab this one. This is a common Japanese gum brand.
Here's a peach one.
And they're
It's
little
really
balls.
soft.
They're
And they're
the shape of
soft.
a ball. Oh, they're soft?
Yeah, this.
I've never seen this one before. Are those individual pieces?
No, these have
Little balls. But
balls
this
in
one,
it?
is that one big piece? Or is it two pieces?
Yeah, these are one big pieces.
Sad. Is this mochi? Oh, it's a bean cake. Interesting.
red.
It's a strawberry bean cake. A strange flavor in Japan. I mean, it's not like totally out there, but you don't see it as much in America, is honeydew. They love, or I think they call it muskmelon in Japan. But yeah, it's called honeydew here. Let's see, is this a Japanese product? Indonesia, my gosh. We've hit Thailand, Taiwan, Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Indonesia. Am I missing any? Well, I was not expecting that. I was thinking I was just gonna see Japanese snacks, but another thing in Asia, banana flavored stuff. For whatever reason, I'm not really a big fan of banana flavored things. I just rather have a real banana. What about you?
I like banana ice cream.
Oh yeah, banana ice cream is good, as long as there's real banana. Sriracha flavored peas. That's a good palutan. Palutan is a word for beer snacks. Anything spicy with beer. If you're gonna go to Daiso and you want snacks, call ahead and make sure it's not during inventory day. Well, it looks like they have a better selection of noodles at least. Did you guys know they have instant yakisoba? So it looks just like a ramen, instant ramen, except it's yakisoba. The thing about yakisoba is you don't keep the liquid in there. So the way the package is designed, after you've hydrated the noodles, there's a little like a mesh section where you strain out all the liquid, and then you're just left with these cooked noodles, and then you have a sauce packet and sometimes even a mayo packet, and then you just eat it. And then it's gonna have some freeze-dried or dried cabbage even, so it's got vegetables, almost like it's the real thing. I've never seen protein in there though before. Just like I do with ramen, you can do it up. Add some more vegetables, add a fried egg, you know? I always like to do it up because I can't have yakisoba without meat in it, or at least some kind of protein. Obviously, they've got ramen too. Chicken paitan, that sounds hella good. I will get this for sure. Japanese ramen, Hokkaido style seafood. In northern Japan, that area is called Hokkaido. They're known for their seafood, which is kind of funny because all of Japan's known for their seafood, but if you are a seafood lover and you want next level seafood feasts, go to Hokkaido, the north part. Also, Hokkaido is known for their dairy products too. They have a lot of farms up there, a lot of cows. I remember we went to the Cup of Noodle Museum. That was really fun. I think seafood is the original ramen or cup of noodle flavor.
Oh, really?
I need to eat mine. You can make your own customized cup of noodle, and you can design your cup too, so that was pretty cool. And pick what flavors you want in it. These are fancy. Fresh Japanese style udon. This is really heavy. I've never felt it this heavy before. Somen? What? Okay, somen, that's a different style noodle. So udon is really thick. Somen is more thin, and I don't know what it's made out of. Wheat, probably. Sanukiya soba. They got all kinds of stuff here. This is a popular company, Shirakiku. I'm not sure what is this. Savory sesame flavor in a rich gourmet soup. Product of China. Look at that. I think we covered it all. Szechuan gourmet recipe. Oh, I love Szechuan peppers. Who would have ever thought you'd enjoy the numbing feeling of peppers? This is kind of strange. Tom yum. Okay, don't tell me. Where is this from? Product of Thailand. Soy sauce flavored Japan premium ramen noodles. Candied chestnuts. Thank you. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna try this apple sparkling water. One of my favorite apple juice companies. This is perfect because I'm very thirsty right now, and I don't really want just juice, so it's nice. Oh, and look, a little bonus. No sugar added. That's good. That's refreshing. We're gonna try these dried tomatoes. Here you go. This is what they look like right here.
That looks like.
All right. Here, girls, try it.
Looks good.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you what it tastes like.
Do you like it?
I want you to try it.
Do you like it? No, you don't. I'm pretty skeptical now.
Go, try it.
Oh my god.
Okay, go.
I got the big one.
2, 1.
Tastes like avocados.
It's like candy.
No, it isn't.
There's so much sugar in
It's
it.
like dried apricot.
Yeah.
Dried
All right.
pineapple. Pineapple.
I'm actually kind of shocked by it. Yeah, it is like a dried pineapple. You don't want it? Okay, just put it in here. Okay, now we're gonna try the dried mandarin oranges. I bet this one's gonna be better. I was not expecting those tomatoes to be so good.
I don't really like.
I wonder if these are gonna be a little more chewy.
Yeah, we're trying these
Mmm.
pizza pretzels.
I will say this. This is way better than tomatoes,
Let me see.
obviously. Want to try?
I don't know. After that.
I'll eat the whole thing. I just wanted to take the girls out on a little daddy-daughter's date. Since we're here near the movie theater, let's go to Daiso. What's your favorite Japanese snack, or I guess any Asian snack that they sell at Daiso? I was very shocked by all the different countries that were being represented. China, Korea, Japan, Thailand, Taiwan, Indonesia. If you see these, totally get them. If you see these, try them, but there's no guarantee that you're gonna want to eat the whole bag. Yeah, it does actually taste like dried pineapple, which is kind of weird, but it's because they put so much sugar in this. Talk to you later.